Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that payment method cannot be used with the iTunes store. So how you can fix that? So when you try to do something purchase it in anything, you just in the iPhone, and you see that the payment method cannot be used with that iTunes stores. When you just adding a payment method in your Apple ID and maybe just like that, just go to the Apple ID and you see that there's an option of payment and service sections. When you try to just add in credit card details, and they're saying that the payment method cannot be used with these iTunes stores. So how you can resolve that issue? Simply just go back and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, simply just go to the general section and just scroll it down and just go to the VPN and device management. Just tap on that and here you just have to just disconnect VPN from here. After that, simply just go back and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. Simply just go to the software update section and just update it. After that, simply just go back and simply just go to the App Store of your iPhone and just tap on that and simply just go to the Apple ID and just go to the again Apple ID of your iPhone. You need to add in the App Store and see that my country region is not currently which I am currently in live. So I'm gonna change it because I'm living in Pakistan. So I'm gonna change it with the Pakistan. Just select it and just wait and just select the country which I'm currently live. So I'm gonna select it. I'm gonna select that and just continue it and just agree it. As here you see that they require the all the credit card details. So I'm gonna input that and just done it. And you after that payment method gonna add. And if your problem not gonna solve, simply just go back of your settings and just go to the Apple ID and just sign off your account from here and just again log in. Before going to login, you just have to just turn off your iPhone and again on it and just again sign in and your problem gonna solve. So that's it the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.